Kottu Tamil movie summary. A commoner named Kumaran kidnaps the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Yogeshwaran, at a private retirement home event in Chennai. The news went viral, and everyone from the local to the central cabinet took the issue personally. Home Minister Thillanaigam appoints Sandin Pandian, the police commissioner of Tirunelveli, to rescue Yogeshwaran. Sandin Pandian questions Bala, a minister's son discovered unconscious at the kidnapping scene. Bala informs Sanatna Pandian that he and Kumaran had become friends when Kumaran saved him from a group of thugs, but they are shocked to see that both of them love the same girl, Priyadarshini. Bala also reveals that Kumaran willingly allowed him to pursue his relationship with Priyadarshini in exchange for arranging for Yogeshwaran to attend the retirement home event. Meanwhile, as Sandin Pandian and his deputy, ACP Arival Hagan, strive to get clues about Kumaran, Kumaran explains to Yogeshwaran his motive for kidnapping him. Kumaran was an orphan, but due to the efforts of an honest politician named Kumaraswamy, who had sponsored him, he got a good education and became a journalist with the NEWSEDU TV channel. When he went to Kumaraswamy's house to thank him for contributing to his life, he discovered from a worker that he had gone missing for many days. On further investigation, he learned that Thillanaigam and his sons, Kishore and Prathap, buried Kumaraswamy alive. Thillanaigam had contested against Kumaraswamy in the last election and had defeated him by rigging the vote, forcing Kumaraswamy to file a case against him and demand a recount. When Kumaraswamy refused to withdraw the case against him, Thillanaigam and his sons buried him alive. Kumaran then filed a police case against Thillanaigam and asked Kumaraswamy's intellectually disabled son, also named Kumaran, who was unaware of his father's murder, to give the statement to the police inspector. However, the police inspector was Thillanaigam's aide and informed him about Kumaran. Thillanaigam's sons then took Kumaran on a bus and pushed him out en route. He was then run over by a lorry and died. He feels guilty that he is responsible for Kumaran's death. To avenge their deaths, Kumaran plotted with Priyadarshini and Bala to kidnap Yogeshwaran and expose Thillanaigam slowly through false media reports using Bala's incorrect answers during police interrogation. In the process, the police take Thillanaigam's sons into questioning. After being tortured, they eventually accept and expose Thillanaigam as Kumaraswamy's murderer, even giving them the location on Thillanaigam's lawn where they buried Kumaraswamy. They dig up the spot and discover the skeleton of Kumaraswamy. The police arrest Thillanaigam, and Kumaran releases Yogeshwaran. Kumaran also escapes from his hideout and poses as a journalist, while Yogeshwaran says he cannot identify the kidnapper. Even Sanatna Pandian gives up on pursuing the kidnapper, as the latter had kidnapped Yogeshwaran with good intentions.